Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the methodology that you need to have to ensure that you can start a dropshipping business on a budget. Now, the step-by-step methodology that we're going to talk about is very important, so you got to make sure that you watch the whole video to understand what you need to do to ensure that you can start your dropshipping business at a very reasonable cost. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that we're making. Now, the main thing that you need to understand before you get into this business is what you need to do and how you need to do it. And that is the reason why we have created all these amazing videos for you, to give you a chance to get a competitive advantage in the industry and give you the main methodology and strategy that you need to require to ensure that you can make your business successful and scalable at the same time. The first thing that you need to do, and the first thing that you should always do, is research. Research is literally the common denominator for success. If you do not do proper research and do not find the right product that you want to sell to your customers, you will not be successful and you will not be able to run a successful business at the same time. So you got to make sure that you do a lot of research. You find the right products for your right customers at the right time. And once you get all these elements correct, you'll be able to create something that is truly unique. And obviously, the question that comes to mind is, how are you going to do this? The first thing that you should do is head over to a website that is called Niche Scrapper. Now, Niche Scrapper is a very interesting website because it gives you a complete breakdown of the products that are available on AliExpress and the products that are available on Shopify. You can sort them out. There are categories, subcategories, totals, and price that are available. You can even search with a keyword for different products that are available. And once you scroll down, you'll be able to see the recent orders that are available, the total orders that were done, and the price that they were sold on. For example, this particular product over here, this is a mini portable USB LED lamp, which has a normal order rate of 201 and it's a price tag of 0.67. But if you look at the ability over here that is being sold and the amount is being sold, you can easily see that this is a product that is being required, wanted, needed by a lot of individuals. If you look at this product over here, which is a very interesting product, and the amount of sales that took place are massive. And the reason why they have taken place is because you have Christmas around the corner, and this is an amazing novelty gift to give to a child. And that is the reason a lot of individuals are interested in this particular product. And you can clearly see the data that's available, and based on that data, you can ensure and understand if you need to get this product. That is the first thing that you should do. The second thing that you should do is understand the market that you want to enter. With Shopify.com, you'll be able to enter multiple locations. If you do not have a Shopify account, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. Now, the thing over here I want to mention is the fact that Shopify gives you different locations, and based on those different locations, you can target different audience because the need of individuals in different countries are different. And obviously, based on that principle, you should be able to cater for individuals in different countries. A lot of young entrepreneurs and early dropshippers make this basic mistake, this rookie mistake, that they select one product for all the location. It does not work. It is as simple as that, guys. You gotta make sure that you select products for the right customers, for the right age group, and for the right gender. Once you understand that ability, once you understand that aspect, you'll be able to create something that is truly unique. Once you have selected a product, you need to head over and do more research on a website which is called ppads.com. And obviously, once you get to the website, you'll be able to see the different ad impressions, the likes, and the like rates that are available for different products. And based upon that principle and based upon that data, you'll be able to select products that are willing and are able to sell in the market. Now, the thing over here that I want to mention, which is very important, and you should stick to this principle, is that you should never do promotions yourself. And the reason for that is there are a lot of individuals right now on TikTok, on social media, that are already promoting a lot of different products, and you can easily piggyback on those ads and on those promotions and actually get a benefit from it. So all you need to do is select an ad, select a promotion, select a product that is already being bought and traded by individuals already on social media, and you can make use of that. And that is where the main profit comes, and that is where the main ability to make profit comes, and that is where the real business is made, when you can decrease your unit costs and increase your profit margins and be able to make a profit at the end of the day. Now, the second thing I want to mention over here, which is also very crucial for you to understand, is the difference between the requirements of a product. What What does that mean? It literally means that you need to understand what a need is and what a want is. And obviously, based on understanding the strategy that needs to be developed for a need product and developed for a want product, you'll be able to develop something that is truly scalable and successful at the same time. Once you can map out the products which are need products and convert them into want products and increase the price based upon that want to your customer base, to your audience, to the individuals that are coming to your landing page on Shopify.com, you'll be able to make a massive profit on it. And once you are able to do that, you'll be able to create something that a lot of individuals will be interested in. And the third thing, guys, that you need to keep in mind is to always have multiple niches available on your landing page on Shopify. And the reason for that is that you would have a global audience that's going to be available, and you will have people from all different genders and age groups that will come to your Shopify. You need something for females, you need something for males, you need something for children as well. So whenever an audience, whenever an individual, whenever a customer comes to your shop, they'll be able to see that there's always something available for everyone. And obviously, based on that, they'll buy something and in return will make you a profit. Now, after you have selected a product, after you've seen a product, you need to find a supplier for that product. So you can always head over to aliexpress.com, and aliexpress.com is a very good website which I highly recommend to everyone that is doing dropshipping, because it gives you the ability to get products at a very reasonable cost. For this product over here, this is for $4.57. 17,532 have been sold with free shipping. So imagine if you're selling this product for $19.99, the amount of profit that you can make. But the only thing which is a disadvantage with AliExpress is that you can buy a limited amount of products. After that, you'll get a higher price. So you want to make sure that you get a product at the most lowest cost and sell it at a maximum price. And obviously the difference between that is going to be your profit margin. So once you've selected a product, once you've seen a product on AliExpress, head over to another website which is called Alibaba.com. Now, Alibaba.com is a place where you can find multiple products at very reasonable cost and speak to suppliers directly and cut out the middleman, and you're able to get the product right from the source. So for example, you might get a product for 0.01 cent, and obviously based on that, you can actually sell it for a higher price. So the quantity that you're going to have is a lot bigger than you would get on AliExpress, but the price that you'll get is very reasonable and very profitable. Now, once you've done all of those elements, you will do the most important thing, which is select a name. And to select a name, you can head over to a website which is called businessnamegenerator.com. This is literally the most important thing that you should do for your business and the most research that should go into it, because this is going to be the common winning denominator for your organization. The name should reflect quality. The name should be sticking around with your customers, from your audience, that they understand what the shop is about. And obviously it's a name that they should remember and become a brand for them. So you got to make sure that you select a name that has a lot of impact in the industry, something that is global, something that resonates with individuals. And once you're able to select a name and get a name, you'll be able to create something that is truly very unique. And after you've selected a name, you need to get a domain, because the domain is literally the address, the landing page, the place where everyone is going to come and know about and talk about, because that is where you will make your money. Now, once you've done all of that, you can always head over to Shopify.com and make your dreams a reality and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about, and be able to work for yourself and break the 9-to-5 rat race and discover how millions of entrepreneurs are using Shopify to build their business, and obviously bring their vision to life with their easy to use store creator. And there's no coding expertise that are required, and you can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers, and you can add more features and functionalities to your online store with the app extension from trusted Shopify partners. And the reason why I personally love Shopify is because you can connect with customers everywhere. You can sell online, in person, or both, while the marketing tools and social integrations are available, and the sales channels that you need to get your product in front of your customers is available on Shopify. Even more than that, if you want to manage your inventory, track your payments, view real-time business insights, you can do that from a single dashboard. And they have literally built all the tools that you would need so you can focus on building your business. And they're literally empowering entrepreneurs everywhere in the globe, and they're in 175 countries, and they have supported 5 million jobs and done an economic activity of $444 billion. That is how huge Shopify is, guys. And you can also get a piece of that cake by subscribing to Shopify by by clicking in the description below on the link and getting Shopify for 90 days. And the thing what makes Shopify truly stand out is their support from their Shopify blog, from their online courses, from their community, and their help center. They're always available to support you, to assist you, and to guide you. Whenever you hit a wall, guys, you would always have Shopify available. Their support is always going to be there for you. And any question that you ask, any problems that you face, any issues that you have, you can easily go to their support and get the support from Shopify. So if you like the video so far, guys, do subscribe to our channel. And if you need any guidance whatsoever, you can always let me know in the comment section below, because I'll be more than happy to assist you and to guide you. And remember to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that we're making. And stay tuned for our next video. So until then, take care.